Alright, welcome to the Gonto book. I got nothing today. It's just snowing out. So I'm prepping myself. I'm in the camper right now. I got the heat on. It went down to the 20, 21. Waggle said it was, I was getting alerts all night. Thresholds, or I forget what you call it, down to the 20 because it was getting an alert every 3 seconds on my Waggle. And the reason why my Waggle's on is I have it plugged in to the camper, and it's always plugged in and has power because I have solar. But you're saying, well, my dog's not in here, you're parked in front of your house. I have the one that has a geofence GPS on it, and I established a perimeter, so if somebody comes and steals my RV. I live in a good neighborhood, but you never know. You never know. We're supposed to get 6 to 8 inches. Hopefully we don't get that much, but you never know. And I don't want all that heavy snow on the top to damage my RV. So I put the slide in. My slide was out. I put the slide in, and so I'm gonna go out there and shovel a little bit. And so I'm not shoveling 8 inches of snow. I'm only shoveling a few times today to make it easier. All right, here I go. Let me hook this up. I'm gonna go inside and I'm gonna ask Shelly for some help. See if she actually says yes. She's gonna say, hell no, it's too cold outside. Babe, you gonna help me? You gonna help me? The snow?
Hell no!
I won the bet. I bet myself that you were gonna say that. I got you. I got you on film.
Oh, my own video?
Yeah, I got you. All right, babe. I'm going back out.
What are you doing out there?
Shoveling some of it.
Why?
Well, but I don't want to shovel 8 inches of snow. I'd rather shovel
A half inch?
3 here, 5 here, 3 here.
But it's not 3 yet.
Yeah, that's true. I'm just going to shovel a little bit.
You just need something to do.
Yeah. All right. Can you make me some coffee?
No. Is that on film?
Yeah.
No.
I got to do everything. All right. I know she's going to do it. She said no, but she does it. All right, baby. I just wanted to get you on camera because you're never out there with me. All right, here. All my orange stuff came from Timo. So she thinks I order a lot.
He
On
does.
Timo. Yeah.
And I am actually going to cook today.
What are you cooking? Oh,
Make shepherd's pie,
nice.
which
Do
is
you wanna-
good for a snowy day.
Do you want to film that?
No.
I'm going to tell you, when I do RV stuff, it gets views out the galore. When I do my artwork, wah, wah, wah. So your cooking's probably going to go, wah, wah.
Yeah, because shepherd's pie.
Yeah, and then
is very
our
easy.
niche-
Anybody can make shepherd's pie.
I knew my artwork wasn't going to be all that, but when it didn't get any views, like only 40 to 50, I was like, it's not an artwork channel, so
No.
so I got all my artwork out. I'm not going to do anything new with that, and maybe a couple times a year, but that's about it. So,
RVers don't want to see artwork.
do you want me to film you cooking your shepherd's pie?
No. Because it's easy.
It's easy.
Very easy.
Well,
Everybody
we'll
knows
do the final, see how good it is. Cause your shepherd pie is pretty good.
how- Yeah.
I like it.
It's just everybody seasons their meat different. That's
Right.
the main thing.
And
Is the taste of the meat.
and she just throws any season in there,
No,
whatever
I
she got.
don't. I have specific seasonings. I
You
do
do?
for
Ah,
everything.
okay.
Yeah.
Alrighty then. Love you, babe.
Love you too.
I didn't mean to bust on your Chevrolet. Yeah. Alright, see you, baby. I'm gonna go out to finish that snow. Ooh. Ooh, warmest. Nice. Ooh. You in here nice and warm, babe?
Yes. I got your coffee.
Nice, thank you.
And all
God,
my potatoes peeled and ready.
I just got cold just now. I mean, I was cold, but sometimes you don't feel it until you come in. You know?
Yeah.
Whew, I'm taking a rest now. All right, babe, love you.
Love you.
Thanks for the coffee.
You're welcome.
All right. I'm gonna start shoveling again before it gets too deep. So I'd rather do that than try to lift all that heavy snow. How am I looking? Whew. It took me about 30 minutes. I went over a couple places twice, but it's doing pretty good. Not bad. I'm not that cold either.
I could have sworn I heard your voice in here and it scared me, and I went outside and we were shoveling. You got snow all over you.
I know.
I know, it's all over your back.
Yeah, it's called water.
Yeah, I don't want water in the house.
Oh, you don't want to get all wet?
No.
She worried about herself, not worried about me. All right, that's it. I'm taking a nap. Yeah, I'm taking a nap, babe. I'm taking a nap. All right.
I'm gonna make the 75 an hour.
Here's Ben. Hi, Bentley.
So when you get up,
How you doing? He hasn't been in the video lately.
please videotape them.
Yeah. Yeah.
Discuss real athletes.
Well, Dad,
Yeah.
how come you're not using this snowblower?
Right. Exercise, girl. Alright, that's it. My hands are cold. Smells good, babe.
Yeah.
When's it gonna be done? Did you say an hour? Alright, I got a little bit lazy. Did not finish. So there's probably some snow out there.
I can't believe I get to call you my wife. From the day I met
Some ice out there now.
let's
check it out.
the one made just for
Oh,
me. And after Ruben
snow.
Tuesday, and our out of town day, you looked at me and proudly said, "You made it. Let's get old and watch the kids make our love from York, travel around the whole world singing. You made it. You and Jasmine and Sierra, the family I care for. I walk by the mirror saying, you made it. We were married on Christmas. Shelly, Boo, and me against the world, but your body was missing. Something that was saved by your little girl. She helped her mother by helping another. A birthday present you'll never forget. I'm so happy you've recovered.
Yeah,
Can't live without you. So
yes.
I can say,
Alright. I'm done for the day. I didn't think I was gonna make it.
First it keeps snowing, you gotta go back.
Alright, snow is done. We live in Pennsylvania, so we're used to it. And I gotta thaw out a little bit and I'll be okay. What do you think, babe?
Better you than me.
I did not clean off the top of the RV. Hopefully nothing happens. Alright, without further ado, we'll see you on the other side.
Bye, everybody.
singing, you made it. You and Jasmine and Sierra, the family I care. Spend the rest of my